sweet ending for you, courtesy the folks at Regal Products. Regal has such a wide array of nuts that I kind of just got excited. Banana bread that I ate from Lola's, I didn't recognize it was from Lola's, big up Lola's, on Zaak's tour. But I said instead of chocolate chips, I am going to do a banana nut cake, because all these wonderful Regal nuts I have access to. So quickly, a banana cake, a banana bread is really so simple. It sounds like it's maths and science, but it's a banana batter. Real simple. I have 3 to 4 bananas. The riper the banana, the better, I understand. So you kind of have to wait till you see all them sort of brown spots you see it happening there. Yeah, you see all the brown spots that happen when it's getting like that. Yeah, it's better for a banana bread. The sweeter the banana, the better. You go there. So I have 4 bananas. What are you doing in here? Go across here, right? Bananas for in here, bananas. I like to use this guy. You could use a fork, but this is like one of those potato mashers when you're doing mashed potatoes. Watch how easy, watch how simple. Bananas mashed, that's it. I have some melted butter. That's gonna get it all nice and moist. Some sugar, white sugar, vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and you just kind of whisk that together. All your wet ingredients kind of forming one nice smooth texture. You're looking to just try and get rid of as much of the banana lumps as you possibly can. That's your wet mixture. So I'm going to pull together my dry ingredients. Flour, I have 2 cups. Baking soda, baking powder, and a touch of salt. I have some cinnamon. And I just want to kind of mix all those dry ingredients together. Whew, you start to smell that cinnamon. Once the dry ingredients are mixed together, you add bravely these dry ingredients to the wet ingredients. So if you know me, afraid flour. But this simple. Fold wet into dry. It works. Fold wet into dry and just keep folding. So I don't think we mentioned it on set, but Chef Simmone kind of is a pastry kind of professional. She's a pastry nerd. So she must be watching and saying, "Joy, you're not folding that properly." But it's not real science. The batter comes together, trust me. And you will see it coming together before you know it. Soon as you see that flour mixture disappearing and it's getting that one nice yellow mixture, I understand the trick to this is not to over mix as well. And that's it. So that's my banana bread batter. I have one little trick that I want to add to it. So Lola's added, she added chocolate chips. I have some sliced almonds and some pecans from Regal that I want to add just to make a little nice crunch. I like textures, so the banana bread is a nice little moist bread. A little bit of crunch there. Pecans out. Pecans has a kind of wild nutty flavor that I like. And this is really just a rough chop, guys. I am chopping because I don't really want to put it in a food processor, because I want some little integrity with the nuts. I don't want it grounded so finely that I don't even know it's nuts I have in my banana bread. So take time to, this literally will take no more than a minute. my nuts in this flour mixture and just coat my nuts with the flour mixture before it goes into the batter. The reason for that, this is what the bakers told me. If you just put the nuts in just like that, it will sink to the bottom. For some scientific unknown reason, when you mix it with flour, the nuts kind of just settle into a groove and it bakes and the nuts kind of distributed all over the banana bread. I just listen to the people's recipe and I follow it. My nuts go straight in here now. I do one final fold. Nuts all distributed evenly, and this batter is ready to go into a greased dish and in the oven at 350 degrees, I would say for just about an hour. 45 minutes to an hour. Keep checking on it, but no more than an hour, and you get perfect banana nut bread. Check it out. Just like you can get on Zaak's store. Well, almost. In the oven, and guys, I'm gonna serve this up. Zaak and Chef Simone is waiting in the background. So just to wrap up, we have the guys back. My banana bread is laid out. Please, guys, indulge. Lola should be proud, Zaak. Yeah. No chocolate chips, nuts.
That's all right. Probably borrow a piece.
Yeah, man.
Cool. Are they sharing?
It's soft, boy.
Boy.
So
I'll take this piece, I'll take this
the
piece.
texture here already.
7 points.
You sure you're not gonna talk? I love the texture that the nuts add. And you're right with that extra nuttiness of the those pecans.
Yeah, you crunch as a nice.
Wow.
Lola one was better.
You ready for Lola yet?
That moistness that she had there was something else. I'm going to try it again. But this recipe is a good one. Try it on CupofJoeCaribbean.com. All our recipes on CupofJoeCaribbean.com. I want to thank Chef Simone and Zaak for dropping by.